Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Jr. with All Clear Cleaning. We just had a customer in Atlanta, and she asked me how often you should get your house pressure washed. Now, this is a very common question we get asked all the time, and really it kind of depends on a few factors, like how wooded your house is and where it sits in relation to the sun, and how fast the mold basically grows on the type of surface you have on your house, whether it be brick or siding and those type of things. But usually we recommend getting it done once a year, and if you get it done once a year, basically you kind of stop the mold before it really gets going, and you can get up under the eaves and get them all white for you, and get all that stuff off of it, all the cobwebs and things like that really bother people. So once a year usually works best for most homeowners, but in some circumstances twice a year, or if it's the other way, you could even go once every other year, and that would be fine depending on where you live. But once a year is usually the golden rule for our company and what we like to recommend our customers. So if you like our blog, please subscribe and like us on Facebook, and you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later.